If your child read this word as stop, then you need to watch this. Now let's see the word stop. At the beginning, we see st. We don't read these sounds separately, we slide them together. And that's a blend. A blend is where two letters come together, both the sounds are heard and they slide together, but it's difficult to separate them. Blends can come at the beginning of the word, like st, stop, bl, black, gr, grapes. These are beginning blends. Blends can also come at the end of a word like lamp, and, sand, ilk, milk.